Hi, I'm Sabir. This video I am showing something new thing. I just want to deactivate my Facebook account. But how do I do that? So, this video I am showing you how to delete your account forever. So, first you need to log in your Facebook account. I've already logged in my Facebook account. So click one here and go to setting and privacy and go to setting, then you click your Facebook information. You will get here temporary deactive or permanently delete options. So click. Now you will get two options. One option is deactive account and second option is permanent delete your account. If you want, you can deactivate your account, and if you want, you can permanently delete your account. This is your chosen. So guys, now I we are only choose deactive account. Continue. Same process is a permanently delete option. I have privacy concern. Okay, then deactive. Deactive now. Okay guys, I think this video help you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.